Is AI shaping your daily conversations the way it's shaping ours? Hi, I'm Delta Purnawidyanga.
I'm Muhammad.
I'm Evan Purnama.
Welcome to Daily Conversations by Qiscus.
Daily Conversations is your ultimate guide to using AI to transform your daily business life.
As an AI-powered omnichannel customer engagement platform, our speakers will uncover how AI shapes not only your daily life but also empowers your business to deliver exceptional customer experiences.
Daily Conversations goes beyond business insights and dives into the technical aspects to help you understand what it takes to build AI-powered products.
We'll also explore how to shape your business culture with AI. After all, it's all about the daily conversations that drive success, isn't it?
No need to worry, it's simple and grounded in reality.
Just like the name says, we have designed this series to give you practical insight, help you transform your daily conversations, and empower your business to deliver excellent customer experiences.
So be prepared to join the Daily Conversations on Qiscus YouTube channel.
Because every transformation begins with daily conversations.